This is Sriram Blue main entrance video. This is the main entrance, and this road leads to Whitefield, Katgodi. And to my right hand side, this road leads to Kyarpuram, Old Madras Road, Hoskote, and National Highway Road.
So the model we have is of 3-bed duplex. So this is the entrance. This is a decent foyer space. So quality wise, if I brief you about the model, so in all the flats you'll be having a digital door lock with touch panel. So this digital door lock will be there with key as well as keyless entry, and you'll be having a teak wood door. Then talking about the tiling quality, we are using Kajaria, which is standard. Now this is the dining space, the stairs, and this is the living space. So huge living space because this is a 3-bed duplex. So actually duplex is a combination of two BHKs on the top of each other. So 2 BHK, the only difference is apart from stairs, you'll be having a room that side basically. One room will come. So beautiful layout, lot of space. You can see this is our kitchen, modular kitchen open. So this kitchen is huge. And backside is the utility. This is a big utility space we are giving for your washing machine and everything, dishwasher. So like in short, like the kitchen and utility space itself like around more than 140 square feet. Now if we talk about the rooms, you have one room here. Size is around 10.9 into 12.9, 11 by 13. And this is the window. This is the room basically. So this is your washroom. So very high quality specs we are using here. We are using Kohler Italian Collection wall mounted and Jaguar J series in tap fittings. So this will be standard, everything which you are seeing right now. The tiles and everything. So I'll show you what I personally like about this flat. So this is the beautiful deck space we are having here. So our deck space is more than, you can see it's like a good setup space with wooden tiling. So this wooden tiling with stainless steel railing, not an ordinary iron one, and toughened glass. So this toughened glass will be there. So quality wise you can see we are not at all compromising with anything. And these UPVCs also are not normal Finestas. These are replicas of German Shukos. So very smooth. These are soundproof, dustproof, and you get a smooth finish. Now I'll show you the first floor plan. So we are going on the first floor of the duplex. So here also you can see like in the quality we are using wooden finish iron steel railings with Italian granite. So this is your living space on the first floor, and that is your chandelier. So beautiful living space on the first floor, and on my left I have your master bedroom. So in the master bedroom we are giving Pergo wooden flooring. We are not using any laminated flooring. We are giving 6 mm thick Pergo wooden flooring. Now big master bedroom with attached washroom, and same Kohler Italian Collection and Jaguar J series. So that is standard. This is your wardrobe space, dedicated. This is your room. So you have basically two rooms on the first floor of Duple and one room on the ground floor. So this is your kids' room, the second room of Duple. So kids' room, very good size, decent size rooms with attached washroom. So these fittings will be standard, which you are seeing right now. So very high end specs we are using because we are not compromising with the quality, as this is our ultra luxurious project. It's not an ordinary project and a mass housing project. It's a very niche product with ultra luxurious specifications. Now this is what I called as convenience. So we are giving second entry and exit on the first floor. So this entry, so let's suppose your parents are also staying. So you can stay on the first floor with your kids, two rooms are there, and your parents can stay on the ground floor. And the elevator access is present at both the levels.